We've got some lovely bird seed here which we want to give to the birds, but we haven't got a bird feeder, so do you think we should make one?
Yeah.
What do you think we could make one out of?
Half an egg box.
An egg box?
Yeah.
Where would we get one of those from?
I don't know.
What?
That was easy.
I'm going to use this pencil to make some holes in this egg box to thread some string through, but I need something soft on the other side to keep it safe. What do you think I could use?
What about plasticine?
I don't have any plasticine.
A banana? It's a miracle.
Coming back to the hole. Now then, we want to tie a knot. Just going to trim the ends off. And there we have our feeder.
Now let's feed it with actual bird seed.
Okay.